Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to unveil the secrets of predictive maintenance and its significant return on investment. Stick around as we'll be taking a deep dive into real-world examples from Tetra Pak, Mueller Industries, and Daimler Chrysler. We'll also be sharing some key ways predictive maintenance can reduce costs and enhance efficiency in your operations. Let's get started. Did you know that the U.S. Department of Energy has indicated that predictive maintenance, or PDM, can yield a potential return on investment of roughly 10 times the cost? That's right. But this figure can vary depending on your facility's layout requirements, how your PDM program is implemented, and what outcomes you're looking for. To give you a clearer picture, let's explore some real-world examples. First up, we have Tetra Pak, a food packaging and processing company. They implemented predictive maintenance to better serve their customers and improve reliability. By using digital technologies like remote monitoring and cloud computing, they were able to gather and analyze data from equipment sensors worldwide. This approach helped them predict machine failures in advance, saving their customers from high transportation costs and unplanned downtime. In fact, one dairy company they work with was saved over 140 hours of downtime. Next, we have Mueller Industries, a manufacturer of copper, aluminum, brass, and plastic products. They transitioned from a preventive maintenance approach to predictive maintenance using handheld contact microphone sensors linked with a smartphone app. This allowed them to detect issues like rapid bearing wear on their high-speed machines early on, leading to minimal downtime. Finally, let's talk about automobile manufacturer Daimler Chrysler. They used infrared and vibration analysis to evaluate the condition of over 600 machines for a new plant. By using advanced analytics, they were able to detect issues with over 100 of their machines, saving the plant thousands of dollars in repair costs. So how exactly does predictive maintenance reduce costs? Here are some key ways. For one, it can reduce downtime. Predictive maintenance helps to prevent major breakdowns, resulting in less lost time and more consistent production. Another way it can reduce cost is through higher maintenance productivity. By focusing on the most important tasks, predictive maintenance improves productivity and reduces wasted resources. Another cost-saving benefit is related to spare parts. Where fewer spare parts are used, predictive maintenance can help reduce inventory spend by as much as 10%. A fourth way predictive maintenance reduces costs is through improved workplace safety. With fewer equipment breakdowns, workplace safety improves. With predictive maintenance, you have a consistent product quality. By taking care of minor faults early on, there is less possibility of product defects. And lastly, predictive maintenance cost savings come from greater energy efficiency. Equipment kept in top condition tends to run more efficiently. Now, while predictive maintenance does have a great deal of potential for reducing waste and improving efficiency, it does come with its upfront costs. These costs include monitoring equipment, software and analytics, data acquisition, and employee training. To calculate the return on investment of predictive maintenance in your facility, start by gathering data on your current maintenance and operations costs. Then, determine what types of sensors and analytics will work for your facility. And finally, identify areas of your maintenance and operations that could be improved by predictive maintenance. In conclusion, predictive maintenance promises a high return on investment, and while the exact figure will vary depending on your facility, it's possible to get a sound idea of how predictive maintenance will improve your operations and maintenance practices. Thank you for watching this episode on predictive maintenance and its potential return on investment. We've explored real-world examples from Tetra Pak, Mueller Industries, and Daimler Chrysler, and discussed how predictive maintenance can reduce costs and enhance efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.